Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to use emoji or a sticker effect in Likee. So first of all, open up your Likee application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of Likee, click on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. This will take you to your camera screen from where you can record a video or take a photo by tapping on the red circle at the bottom. You can also go ahead and upload an existing video or photo by tapping on upload at the bottom right. Select a video clip or a photo you want to add onto the editing screen and click on next at the bottom right. Once you end up in your video preview section, in order to add stickers, go to the top right corner and select the stickers tab. Now you will be able to see a list of stickers. You'll find variety of them. You can find emoji style stickers, GIF stickers, animated icons, etc. Go ahead and select one of the stickers from the categories, and once you find the one that you like, tap on the little arrow that looks like a download button right underneath the sticker you want to use. Once the sticker has been downloaded, it will be previewed on your screen. You can drag the sticker's size by dragging in or out from the screen, and as you can see it, that the sticker's size has been increased or decreased. Drag it along the screen and place it on a desired area. You can also rotate or edit your stickers according to your liking. After you're happy with your sticker, tap on the sticker one more time and then click on the little pencil button at the top and you'll end up in the screen. From here you can drag the little red bar to the area that you want the sticker to appear. Now if you go ahead and play the video, you will see that there's a sticker on certain part, and after a while where you don't have that bar activated, it will remove the sticker from the video. Now if you want the sticker to be previewed all along your video to the end, you can drag the little red bar all the way towards your video, and that's how you should do it. And that's how you can easily add stickers to your Likee edits. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.